Lovers, welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today we are celebrating the sweetness news, the arrival of a new baby. Let's look 20 adorable cake designs that perfectly capture this joyful moment. The first one is baby fruit footprint cake. Tiny footprint fondant on a top of soft pink or blue cake, symbolizing the later step ahead. The next is sleeping baby topper cake. A fondant baby sleeping on a juicy blanket with stars and clouds all around. The next is bottle and rattles cake. Cute baby bottle and rattles made of sugar and topped with a pastel blue bow. The next is gender natural teddy bear cake. Light yellow or mint green cake featuring an adorable teddy bear in the center. The next is baby clothesline cake. Fondant on and socks hanging on the sugar clotheslines, perfect for baby showers. The next is moon and star themed cake, a dreamy cake with cloud stars and baby sleeping on a crescent cake moon. The next is baby in a basket cake, cuddle or basket cake design with the baby back peeking out, heart wearing or realistic. The next is gift box reveal cake, a sugar cake made of look like a gift box or a baby topper and ribbon details. The next is it's a baby, it's a girl cake. Split design, heart blue, half pink, with cute little baby items as toppers. The next is stroke delivery cake, a fondant stroke carrying a baby bundle set against a blue cake background. The next is floral baby girl cake, soft floral pearls and a fondant baby girl topper wearing a little bow. The next is pastel rainbow cake, soft pastel rainbow layers with a baby sitting under an arch of clouds. The next is star in one cake, golden star sparkle dust and a message it like a star is born piped on top. The next is plush toy cake. Design the cake to resemble against truffle animal, teddy bear, bunny or elephant. The next is baby crop cake. Realistic crib structure with baby pillow, a blanket and a tiny sleepers. The next is welcome baby letter cake. Letter shaped cake with bee or baby decorated with fondant baby toys and rattles. The next is minimalist baby cake. A single tire with white with cake with just a pair of baby shoes or pacifiers as a topper. Simple and sweet. The next is baby themed cupcake tower. Mini cupcake with booties, bottles, and hello baby topper arranged in a tower shaped. The next is diaper cake inspired design, decorated to look like a roll diaper bow or pins, but made entirely the cake and frosting. The next is family themed cake, mom and dad and baby fingering, sitting together on the cake with tiny heart all around. Which cake would you choose to welcome a new little angel? Comment below and share the love. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory and share this video to your sweet friends. For more sweet inspiration, click the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video.